I wanted to take some losses against the gains. Humana I went into as a trade, as you recall. And
as part of your profitable healthcare trade, which you were trying to ride for much of last year.
So I sold Humana on Friday as well, so I missed the move today. So, you can't catch them all. But I haven't sold any United Healthcare. And, my intention is to come back to Humana. But first, I want to see what happens we're in a very highly charged political environment. It typically is a discussion during presidential campaigns.
Healthcare typically underperforms in a general election year for that very reason. Both sides are just teeing off on the drug companies and about prices, this, that, and the other. And that's why those companies traditionally don't do well from a stock standpoint in GE years.
But I think some of that underperformance, frankly, was pulled forward. The markets move a lot quicker. They discount a lot sooner. And it's been no secret they underperform in the election years. But there are no positive catalysts either. And then you've got CMS, which who knows what to do with rates. So I thought it was prudent. Bottom line is that it was a loser in the portfolio. I had gains. So how am I going to manage that? So that's why I sold it. I also sold Deere. Deere was a profitable trade, but that was just a trade. I was very clear when I went in. It did very well. Deere has been trading between like 370 and 400. So I caught it. I've caught it each time, and I want to get out of it. I don't believe, and that's because I don't believe the economy is as strong as narrative in the market, and so I want to take that profit off. So I just thought and I missed that. It's up a little bit today. So I just wanted to rebalance the portfolio a little bit. I didn't want to wait till when everybody else is doing it. Okay, so that just gives me optionality. So I'm sitting with a lot of cash right now. I do intend to deploy it, but if you take a look where I put some money to work, I did buy Taiwan Semi. That underperformed the other semis. I'm sure I'm nervous about what China's going to do. I don't think they're going to do anything this year or next year. They keep the dialogue going. I also bought TransDigm. I bought Textron about a week and change ago. So, those to me, the fundamentals are strong, and they've been strong, and they don't depend on the economy really accelerating, and they don't depend on rates, right? Those are fundamental buys. Textron, private jet market, still going very strong. It's not going to weaken. TransDigm, as I mentioned the other day, it's 48 separate companies. It's a private equity firm that trades in the public markets.